Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Craft Loaded. Today, I'll show you how to build this DIY cardboard night vision. Before we get started, let me give you a quick look at its features. This night vision can be mounted directly onto the helmet shroud using its mounting system. It also features a working LED and a removable battery pack. Before we begin the tutorial, be sure to download the printable templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare a paper tube measuring 10.8 cm in length with a 2.6 cm diameter. Also prepare a paper strip 4.6 cm wide. Step 2. Wrap the paper strip around the tube, leaving a 2.6 cm gap from one end. Step 3. Prepare another paper strip 1.5 cm wide. Step 4. Wrap this strip around the previous layer, creating a band approximately 4 cm wide at the end of the tube. Step 5. Prepare a paper strip 8 mm wide. Step 6. Wrap the strip around the edge of the 1.5 cm section you made previously. Then prepare another paper strip 2.6 cm wide. Step 7. Wrap the 2.6 cm wide paper strip around the groove on the tube. Also prepare 5 mm wide cardboard strips. Step 8. Glue the cardboard strips onto both the front and rear edges of the 2.6 cm paper strip. Then prepare several small cardboard pieces. Step 9. Glue the small cardboard pieces in place as shown in the video. Step 10. Prepare a paper strip 3 cm wide. Step 11. Wrap the strip around the opposite end of the paper tube. Then prepare a 1 cm wide paper strip 4 mm wide cardboard strips and several small cardboard pieces. Step 12. Attach all of these parts as shown in the video. Step 13. Prepare template No. 1. A 1 cm wide cardboard strip, and a 1.7 x 1.7 cm cardboard piece. Step 14. Prepare a green LED with wires already attached. Step 15. Shape template number 1 as shown in the video. Cut an opening in the paper tube, then install the LED inside the tube. Step 16. Prepare a rolled paper tube and template number 2. Step 17. Glue the rolled paper tube onto template No. 2. Then attach this assembly to the top of template number 1. Step 18. Repeat steps 1 through 17 to build a second identical tube assembly. You should now have 2 identical night vision tubes. Step 19. Prepare template number 3, template number 4, and a 1.1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 20. Shape the cardboard strip as shown in the video. Step 21. Prepare a cardboard piece measuring 3.5 x 4.8 cm. Step 22. Glue this cardboard piece to the bottom of the assembly. Step 23. Prepare template number 6, a 1.3 cm wide cardboard strip, and a 9 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 24. Shape the cardboard pieces as shown in the video, then attach the completed section to the top of the assembly. Step 25. Prepare template number 7, a cardboard piece measuring 3.4 x 1.9 cm, and a 1.3 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 26. Shape these parts as shown in the video. Step 27. Prepare template number 8 and a 5 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 28. Shape template number 8, then attach it to one side of the assembly as shown in the video. Repeat the same process for the opposite side. Step 29. Prepare template number 9 and a 1.2 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 30. Glue the 1.2 cm wide cardboard strip to the back of template number 9. Then attach the completed part to the bottom of the assembly. Step 31. Prepare template number 10 and a cardboard piece measuring 4.8 x 4.1 cm. Step 32. Attach the completed part to the bottom of the assembly as shown in the video. Step 33. Prepare 2 rolled paper tubes. Step 34. Glue the rolled paper tubes onto the assembly. Then insert the 2 night vision tubes into the cardboard tubes to create a hinge mechanism. Finally, connect the LED wires to the connector as shown in the video. Step 35. Prepare template number 5. Step 36. Attach template No. 5 to lock the paper tube hinge in place and cover the electronic components of the night vision unit. Step 37. Prepare a 9 mm long paper tube and several small cardboard pieces. Step 38. Glue the small cardboard pieces onto the paper tube, then attach the completed part to the front of the night vision unit as shown in the video. Step 39. Prepare a paper tube, template number 11, template number 12, and several small cardboard pieces. Step 40. Assemble all of these parts, then attach the completed assembly to the bottom of the night vision unit as shown in the video. Step 41. Prepare template number 13 and template number 14. Step 42. Glue template number 14 on top of template number 13. Step 43. Attach the completed assembly to the top of the night vision uni. Step 44. Prepare template number 15, template number 16, and template number 17. Step 45. Glue template number 16 on top of template number 15. Step 46. Then glue template number 17 on top of template number 16. Step 47. Prepare a cardboard piece measuring 3.2 times 4.1 cm and 2 small cardboard support pieces. Step 48. Glue the 3.2 times 4.1 cm cardboard piece to the center of template number 15. Then attach the 2 cardboard support pieces at an angle to the left and right sides of the 3.2 times 4.1 cm cardboard piece, as shown in the video. Step 49. Prepare template number 18 and template number 19. Step 50. Glue template number 18 and template number 19 together as shown in the video. Step 51. Prepare the cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 52. Glue the smaller cardboard piece to the bottom, then stack the larger cardboard piece on top of it. Step 53. Prepare several cardboard pieces. Step 54. Attach the cardboard pieces to the left and right sides of the assembly as shown in the video. Step 55. Prepare the mounting rail template, a paper tube, and the cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 56. Insert the mounting rail into the slot in the assembly you made earlier. Lock one end with a cardboard piece, then attach the paper tube to the top, as shown in the video. Step 57. Prepare 2 cardboard pieces in the sizes shown in the video. Step 58. Attach the 2 cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 59. Prepare template number 20 and template number 21. Step 60. Attach template number 20 and template No. 21 to the 2 cardboard pieces you made in the previous step, as shown in the video. Step 61. Prepare template number 22 and template number 23. Step 62. Attach both templates to the assembly you made earlier, as shown in the video. Step 63. Prepare several cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 64. Attach the cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 65. Prepare template number 24. Step 66. Insert template number 24 into the cardboard guides you made earlier. Then attach the cardboard guides to the bottom of the mounting assembly. Make sure template number 24 can move freely, and is not glued in place. Step 67. Install the neodymium magnet and the metal piece in the positions shown in the video. Step 68. Prepare template No. 25 and a 1.1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 69. Prepare 2 copies of template number 26 and a 3.3 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 70. Attach these parts together as shown in the video. Step 71. Prepare template number 27 and a 5 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 72. Attach the completed part to the top of the assembly you made earlier. Step 73. Prepare template number 28 and a 5 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 74. Glue the cardboard strip around the edge of template number 28. Step 75. Prepare another template No. 28 and another 5 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 76. Glue the cardboard strip slightly away from the edge so the assembly you made earlier can slide inside, allowing the cover to open and close. Step 77. Prepare a battery holder, a push-button switch, and the connected wires. Step 78. Assemble these parts, then attach them inside the housing you made earlier as shown in the video. Step 79. Prepare template No. 29 and template number 30. Step 80. Attach both templates to the bottom of the night vision battery pack. Step 81. Prepare template No. 31, template number 32, and 2 1.1 cm cardboard strips. Step 82. Assemble these parts and attach them to the top of the cover you made earlier. Then feed the wire through the opening in the template so it extends outside. Step 83. Prepare a 7 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 84. Attach the cardboard strip to cover the night vision power button. Step 85. Extend the cable to the desired length. Then install a connector on the end of the cable to connect it to the night vision unit, and wrap the cable with electrical tape. Step 86. Attach the hook side Velcro to the back of the night vision battery pack.